Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Travis Jones with MarineMax here in Clearwater. Today we're going to walk through the 270 SDX by Sea Ray. We'll start right back here on the back deck. As you can see, this boat is powered with a Mercury 300 V8. Great motors, perfect for this boat. Let's move over here. You can see there's plenty of seating back here facing aft. If you're out at the sandbar, or you're just hanging out at the restaurant, anything like that, we got plenty of seating and lots of storage for you as well down there. Plenty of space for all your beach needs and beach chairs or whatever you want to throw down there. We also have controls for your stereo system back here. We have a freshwater shower as well, a little bit more storage. As we walk in here, you can see pretty much most of these seats in here. They're all going to lift up. You're going to have storage under all these seats. We have right underneath here storage for a cooler as well. As we keep moving forward here, you can see that these also retract forward and back, and they will do this on both sides. So you can lay back comfortably facing the back of the boat, or keep it forward and face forward. We're going to move in here to a very large head area. You got your light right here, overboard discharge on the toilet, sink, and then we'll move over here to this side of the boat to the cockpit. As you can see, we have a 12-inch SIMRAD system in here, fusion radio with Sirius satellite, all your lights and everything right there. Windlass as well. Everything's right there, nice and ergonomically friendly. And then as we move forward, we're gonna have more storage up here as well, and plenty of seating all around the boat. Right here you have your water for your freshwater tank, and then up here you have your windlass. It's a beautiful setup they have here, and we also have another freshwater shower right here on the front of the boat. So that does make, if you are boarding up here at the front, make it very easy to wash yourself off and get on the boat so you're nice and clean. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to reach out to me. Line number 727-642-0848. Thanks.